website specifically, it has so much information on it that it really helped us with picking our top 3 choices and then going from there and asking you some clarifying questions and then choosing based on some of those answers and the cost as well.
Right. We were basically between 3 styles of panels. The 138T standing seam panel that is really top of the line, premium grade from McElroy. The Meridian panel, which is a snap block standing seam, a little bit easier on the installation. And then the Max Rib panel, like you see, that's installed behind us. We ended up going with the Max Rib for a few different reasons. One of the main ones really is cost, not only in material cost, but also installation labor. Panels like the Max Rib or through fastened roof systems install quite a bit quicker than the standing seam counterpart. We also have a rafter frame roof deck, which due to the inherent nature of dimensional lumber, it's always going to have some variations in crown, and I really didn't want that sort of wavy substrate showing through on a panel like the like standing seams, which typically sit flat on the roof deck. Installation can help hide that a little bit, but in general, a panel like the Max Rib kind of helps hide that variation, and I didn't want to risk that with the roof you see behind us. The last main selling point of the Max Rib and why we ended up choosing it is installation labor and finding guys local to us that can put this on. Through fastened roof systems are really popular around here, and that's what the local installers are used to. Standing seam requires quite a bit more care, attention to detail, and thus time and thus money. And that's looping back into the first point, kind of why we ended up going with the Max Rib. But we are really, really happy with it. We drive by houses with Max Rib every day on the way to work. That's really what influenced the decision to do what we did, and we really liked how it all turned out.
Yeah.
All your points are spot on. That was exactly right. Metal roofing is a good, better, best. And the Max Rib is our most popular roofing panel. It's the most popular style across the country, actually, too, from our competitors as well. For the things that you mentioned, it looks great. You also picked a high-quality paint system on it, which is a Kynar 500 or PVDF system, and that's a system that's known for fade and chalk resistance. So, like the metal panels have a good, better, best, so do paint systems, and that's the best paint system, and that's really key.